Teenagers, so I heard you want to start your dreads, your dreadlocks. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Give it up. YouTube, what's good? Vinny here. Thanks for checking out the channel. And today I'm going to tell you guys 3 things you need to know before you start your dreadlocks as a teenager. Intro. Welcome back everybody. Thanks for checking out the channel. How's your day going, man? Mine's going pretty well. I got work in a couple hours, but you know, I thought I'd knock this video off the way right for you guys. So let's get on into it. Now, before we get on into it, hit that like button, subscribe, tell it to your friends, share the thing, comment down below with your thoughts. I'm giving you free advice right now. You ain't gotta go to no therapist, you ain't gotta go to no loctician, you ain't gotta go to nobody else, cause Uncle Vinny has the dreads and he got the knowledge to let you know. So let's get right into the video. Hold up, did you like it yet? Oh, alright, my man, appreciate that, bro. Now this video goes strictly out to teenagers. Now I know it's the new wave now that people want to get dreads, so this video is strictly just for you. All my old heads, y'all can just stop watching right now because you know, you're too late in the game. I got advice for you guys later on, but like I said, you're too late. You're too old, man. Oh, how old am I? First thing to do to start your dreadlocks as a teenager is to set a goal, guys. Now, when you set a goal, you can execute your dreadlock process a lot quicker. Go with your goals over your loctician, your parents, or whoever's gonna do your dreads, or whoever your guardian is. Go over your goals with them, okay? If you know exactly what type of hairstyle you want, how long you want it to grow, and what color or whatever you wanna do with your hair, trust me, having a goal will help you get to where you wanna be. You will save a lot of money and you will save a lot of time. Know where you wanna start so you know where you wanna finish, okay? So step number 1 is have a goal with your dreads. Thing number 2 that you'll need to start your dreadlocks as a teenager is financial support. That's right, guys, money. You're gonna need money from your folks, you're gonna need money from your friends, you're gonna need money from your grandparents, you're gonna need a job or something. Or if you have none of the above but you still got money, how you do that? Let me know. I'm gonna put my Cash App in the link below. Go ahead and send me some money. Don't be stingy now. I'm giving you free advice. The least you can do is give me some money now. Go ahead. Go ahead. Now, why I say you need financial support, man, because when it comes to dreadlocks, yay, though it's not that expensive, but it is an asset to your life. It is a bill that needs to be handled. From getting your hair done, from the products you use, to the pillows that you sleep in, to the wraps you wear, to the styles, clips, getting shape-ups, oils, all that does come up to a price, okay? Now, I know you're just a teenager and you ain't got no money, but this is one thing that you have to consider. Now, if you want to save up all your money for your dreadlocks, do what you want. It's your money. You're becoming an adult now. You gotta learn how to handle your money from here to there. You gotta learn how to flip the money. You gotta learn how to invest. And you gotta learn how to put that money into you and to other spots in your life. But you'll learn that as you go. But take it from me, dreads is not free. Now, one thing you can do to help yourself with your dreads is get your mother to do your dreads. Get your best friend to do your dreads. Get somebody that you know who's gonna do your dreads for free. Work out a deal. Let them know, like, yo, you do my dreads, you get to learn how to do dreads. And we're all winning here, right? So if you can minimize those finances by getting somebody else to do your dreads, or if somebody else has their own equipment, or if somebody else has their own oils that you use, bruh, you're in there. You're in there. But, you know, financial support is a big thing when it comes to dreads, so do keep that in mind. But if you got money, bro, you're doing better than me, okay? Go ahead. Like I said, my Cash App is in the link below. Don't be shy now. Go ahead, give me $5. Maybe 10. Maybe 20. Maybe 100. 200. Now, the third thing that you're gonna need for growing your dreadlocks as a teenager is support from your parents. I know. Who needs my parents? I don't need them. I'm gonna do what I want. I get that, bro. You're young, you're rebellious, you're young, wild, and free. But, you know, if you're still living on your parents' house, it's kind of what they say goes. No, man, I'm the man of my house. My daddy left me. My daddy left me. That's a different story. But, yo, trust me. If you're living with your parents, say they don't like your dreads, you're gonna have a hard time, bruh. They're not gonna support nothing that you do with your dreads. They're not gonna pay for your dreads. They're not gonna help you get your dreads done. They're not gonna go buy you rubber bands. They're not gonna do anything for you. And if they want you to cut your hair, guys, just cut your hair. I mean, it's not worth it. Trust me. You only have one mother, you only have one father, and if you're constantly going back and forth with them about hair, it's just cut it, man. Like I said, your life would be a lot easier if you just listen to your parents. Trust me, kids. I know you don't want to hear it, but trust me, listen to your parents. I'm a father of 2 now, and I tell my kids what to do. I said no. Daddy said no. Trust me. Just listen to your parents, guys. Now, if you do have parents that do support you, great, man, you're blessed. Take that. Do not abuse that, man. Take that support and do the best that you can with yourself with them. But you respect your parents, they will respect you. They don't need to respect you because they're your parents. They're gonna do what they want to do anyway. But like I said, the process would be a lot easier if they support you. So if you have support from your parents, great. But if you don't, it's gonna be a lot harder, but it is possible. Just because you don't have support from somebody doesn't mean it's not possible. You can do it, it's just gonna take work. But don't give up. This is what you want, keep on going for it. And there we have it, guys. YouTube, those are the 3 things that you need to start your dreadlocks as a teenager. Goals, financial support, and support from your parents, because you are living with those guys. Yeah? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you agree with me, tell me in the comment box below. Hit that like button. Tell me what you feel. Do you feel like I forgot something as a teenager? Is there something that you want to know as a teenager that I forgot? Go ahead and let me know. Put it in the comment box down below. Let me know. I will make a video. Just request for it, and I got you guys. That's what I'm here for. I'm here for you guys. If nobody else is going to support you, Uncle Vinny got you, okay? Except for money. Don't ask for that, okay? My Cash App link is down below. Go ahead. Go ahead. This is Vinny Matthew, guys. And I'm out. Yeah.